Hey everyone, this is Jay from the Volo Auto Museum. I've got probably the best documented SS Chevelle there is in existence. I'll show you all that in a minute. Go to volocars.com and you'll see all the specs, and we'll put pictures of the documentation and photos top to bottom on our website, and you can see a couple hundred other collector cars that are for sale too. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you can make comments on that. We do reply to those. That's another way of getting in touch with us. Let's take this for a spin. Really neat story. Guy came back from Vietnam. He had served as a Marine, wanted to treat himself. He went out and bought this brand new 70 Chevelle SS 396 4-speed posi. He owned it until 2015 when he passed away. This car has got loads of documentation, right down to a gas log, keeping track of his mileage. It has protecto plate, build sheet, window sticker, all sorts of stuff, which I'll show you in a little bit. It was restored in 1999, so it's been painted one time. It's got a few little nicks and chips here and there, but I'm telling you, it's a good car. Everything fits nice. I rolled the windows down. They roll down smooth. It's super clean underneath. Original sheet metal, no rust underneath this car. The interior is in excellent shape. It's a bench seat with the 4-speed. The carpets, the seat belts, everything is right. It just feels good. But in 1999, when he restored the car, the motor was a little tired. He wanted a little more horsepower. So he put a GM 502 horsepower crate motor in here. We have a VHS videotape of him installing the motor, which is also very cool. This thing runs strong. It's got aluminum intake, aluminum heads, aluminum water pump. It's got the serpentine belt with the aluminum pulleys and a nice alternator. It's got an 850 Holley carb on there, MSD ignition. It's got a working cowl induction. Same time, he put a rebuilt Borg-Warner Super T10 4-speed, and he put a Ford 9-inch rear end in it with a 410 posi. So it does not have its original drivetrain anymore. It's a much improved drivetrain, but it's still a real SS with great history, great story. He also put 4-wheel Willwood disc brakes on it. It's got Hotchkis suspension upgrades. But I want to show you some of this documentation real quick. So we'll stop the car for a second. Inside the trunk is super clean. It's got a jack, it's got a spare. The jambs are nice. The only metal replaced is they spliced off the lower quarter panels. The rest of the car is 100% original metal. The upper part's original, so the spot welds are still there and the numbers are there. He put a sticker on for each time a kid was born. He had 4 kids, obviously. But here is the box of documentation. I mean, this is really good stuff. Inside here, the original window sticker, invoice, it looks like another invoice, all sorts of paperwork comes with this car. Good stuff. We will scan and put all this on the website. Here's the VHS tape of him putting the 502 motor in it. And then the box is just filled with receipts pertaining to all the work that's been done. So that all goes with it. So you get good documentation, a good story, and you're getting a good car here. So let's spin it around, and you're going to want to hear this thing run. And check out our underside pictures on our website. I think it's got a 3-inch exhaust under there. It sounds great. This car just felt good. I pulled it in here. It's just one of them cars I thought, you know what, I'd drive this cross country. It just felt right. Electric fuel pump. It's got a stereo system with a CD changer. Isn't that idle perfect? Normally I rev them up right away, but I just want to sit and enjoy this idle. Nice lopey sound. That's just touching the gas. That's only bringing it up to 3,500 RPM. The dash is real nice, the headliner, the visors. It's all really nice stuff here. Chrome is nice. These little chrome pieces of trim right under the headlights, those are always gone. You rarely see those. The gaps are real nice. The car is straight. Very tidy, very good car. Yeah, that sounds nice. You know, it's got a fat exhaust on it. It has the cowbell exhaust tips like it should have. Let me rev it up one more time. Cowl induction works. Tells me in the notes that this car runs cool. You can run it on a hot day. It never goes over 190 degrees. Obviously, it's a fast car. It's run low 12s at the strip a few times. So it's a car you can get out and really get on it and enjoy it. The description I got with it said it has a bulletproof drivetrain, so it's built to withstand whatever you want to give it. And yet it's a car that you can just get in and drive. You don't feel like beating on it. You just want to go for a cruise and have an awesome sounding, looking Chevelle. It's another thing. Astro Blue is the original color. I think it makes it stand out. There's a lot of red ones, but this really shows well. No vinyl top, cowl induction. It's a cool car. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Go to volocars.com. Let us know what you need. We can ship it. We can finance it. We can send you more pictures. Just let us know. Thank you.